Hey everyone, I am back with another video, and in this video we're doing something a little bit different today. I will be sharing with you guys a try on haul, which is winter knitted dresses from SHEIN, which I bought recently, and I thought why not show you guys and rate them and also see what you think. I will be rating these dresses based on three things, which is the quality, the price, and also the fit, how true to size they are. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will be talking through this video. However, you guys let me know if you prefer to just have the information on the screen and just have music play as you enjoy watching the video. I'll do a different one with something exciting as well. It's another try on haul from SHEIN as well. I won't tell you guys what it is, so you better subscribe for you not to miss out on that haul as well. But yeah, in that one I will not be talking. I'll just let the music play and just put the information for you guys on the screen and let you enjoy. And I would really like for you guys to let me know which one you prefer, for me to talk through the video or for me to shut up and just let you guys enjoy the video. I always keep it 100% with you guys, whether or not I am sponsored. However, this video is definitely not sponsored. I spent my own coin on these dresses for those that are curious to know. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this video, guys. So first up, I've got this long-sleeved ribbed sweater dress that I got for $41.95, guys. The dollars are in Australian dollars because that's where I am, and it is in a size medium. Now the quality, I really like the quality. The quality is a winner for this dress. As you guys know, SHEIN is one of those stores where the clothes are quite affordable and everybody questions the quality of a lot of the things. And honestly, I have bought some clothes and shoes and things from SHEIN that have really been low quality, but I'm glad to report that this dress is actually a great quality. It's thick, it's stretchy. I really like the raised shoulders. I don't know if you can see. I like the length. I think it's a midi, but it kind of gives me Maxi vibes because maybe of my height. So yeah, I really like the quality. It's stretchy. It looks like it costs more than it actually did, and I don't exactly like whatever's going on at the bottom there, the hem of the dress. I think it's supposed to be a style of some sort going on down there, but yeah, it's not symmetrical and I find it a little bit cumbersome just at the hem there at the bottom. Otherwise, I like the hands. I like the the space around the arm section, and also how firm it is around the wrist. That's really pretty. I like that. And also another thing that I found with this dress is that if I accessorize it with a belt, it looks even better. So if you wanted to wear it like maybe to a more formal occasion kind of thing in the winter months, it's actually a great option. You can wear it casual as well without the belt, or with actually, but yeah, it just depends on how you accessorize it to make it more of a casual looking dress or a little bit on the formal side. But yeah, the size is true to size, guys. Size medium. It fit quite well. I would probably give this dress a 7 out of 10, and that's mainly because of the asymmetrical hem happening at the bottom there that I don't really like. But other than that, it's lovely, it's warm. I like how it hugs my neck. It's not too tight, it gives a little bit of room, but it's quite snug. So that's number one, guys. Next up, we have this maxi dress that I got in size medium as well, and this one cost me $32.95 Australian cents. This one I really wanted to like because it seems like a great dress to just chill out at home with, and Yeah, in some ways it is, in some ways not. It is not exactly true to size. Okay, so like I said, I got the size medium, but as you can see, there's a lot of room happening, which if you're somebody that wants things to fit well, then this is probably not for you. But I think maybe the design is actually that way, for it to be a little bit on the loose side. So I like to wear it around the house, you know, doing chores at home. It's quite roomy, as you can see, even around the arm area there. Yeah, the waist free flowing and all of that. I think you can actually wear it quite well. It can be dressy if you put maybe a belt over, like at the waist, just cinch it in a little bit. I believe the model on the site actually had a shirt inside the dress, which made it look quite nice. So there's ways to style it to make it look pretty. However, yeah, it is on the looser side, and I didn't really look at it that well. I thought it would be a midi once again, but it's giving me maxi vibes, and yeah, I mean, I like it for around the house, but I would have loved for it to not be as long as it actually is. It's almost scraping the floor, honestly, but again, maybe it's because of my height. Yeah, quality wise, it's a good quality. I'll probably maybe say medium quality, not the best, because I've worn it a couple of times and actually washed it once, and it's already starting to, like, I can see a bit of lint around the breast area, which is just like, oh, it's too soon. But either way, guys, this is a cool dress to just wear at home, if this is your kind of style. So out of 10, I'll probably give this one a 6.5, and that's simply because, you know, it's a little bit on the looser side than I thought it would be for a size medium, and also it's starting to show signs of deteriorating already. So I'm just like, you know, too early. But yeah, those are my thoughts. Next, we have this maroon solid pleated hem sweater dress that I got for $36.95 Australian cents. It is a true maroon color, and I got this one in size large. And I got this in large because, I don't know, it kind of gave me more fitted, you know, style, if you may. And I think when I looked at the measurements, the actual measurements of a large, that was more appropriate for my size. And I was right, because as you can see, it's actually quite well fitting in the size large. I've got a little bit of room around the waist, but honestly, I don't feel roomy at the waist. Quality wise, guys, this is like a 9. I promise you, this is a really good quality knitted dress. It's nice and snug, it's warm. I love the length, I love the style. Girl, if you put a little belt there, it's gonna be really cute. With regards to the stretch, it doesn't stretch as much. It does have a little bit of stretch, but not so much. However, guys, this dress is, you know, quite elegant, especially if you style it like with some jewelry, you know, some heels, etc. Girl, you're gonna be bringing it. So yeah, the quality is great. The price, I've already told you guys, and the fit is actually true to size. The large that I got, according to the site, ended up being the right one. And out of 10, I would probably give this one a solid 8.5. It is really good quality, and for that, 8.5. All right, next up we have this knitted turtleneck ruffle hem belted sweater dress. Okay, the names are really long, but you know, I gotta read them so you know exactly what it is. I got this one in a size medium as well, and this one cost me $40.95 Australian cents. This one, guys, screams comfort. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. It is so warm, and it is probably the most stretchy of all the dresses. Yeah, I feel like I actually could have gone a size lower and I could have been okay. I didn't quite know what to do with the belt. According to the site, you kind of need to loop it just once, but for me it was too long, so I looped it through twice, and it looks quite nice, guys. I love it. Quality wise, I would probably give it a 7. It's one of those that I'm feeling might actually lint up and start showing signs of deteriorating quite early, but I may be speaking too soon. I don't know. I haven't washed it or anything like that. So yeah, nothing much really to say. It fits quite well. It's quite stretchy. I love how comfortable it is, how warm it is. I love the length of it. The quality is great as well. So yeah, fits really well. There's nothing really to say about this dress other than it's a great option. I wear it around the house sometimes, or to go out to run some errands in winter. It's quite cold here, so this works really well. And also, if you're a little bit on the larger side or larger than I am, you find that even this size actually might still work for you if you like your knitted dresses to be a little bit more fitting. As you can see, there's a little bit of room around the arm area. So overall, it's a great dress. I would probably give this one a 7 out of 10 as a rating. Last but certainly not the least is this striped pattern sweater dress, bodycon actually, and this one cost $29.95 Australian dollars, and I got this one in size large. Girl, I've got so many compliments wearing this dress. It's unbelievable the amount of people that just say, wow, such a nice dress. And I can see why. It's very catchy. Even when you see it online, it's quite a nice dress to look at. It is definitely quite well fitting. I could have gone smaller and still would be fine, but I love to have a little bit of room. So just for those that want to know, you could go lower. As you can see, there's a bit of space around the waist area, the back and the arms there. It's very comfortable, I guess, because of the size, guys. It's very stretchy as well. It seems like a good quality as well. I haven't washed it once again, but it's nice and warm. I love the length of it, girl. Quite versatile. And yeah, there's nothing really else to say. For me, these are not my favorite colors on myself. I think I like the dress just to look at, or maybe on someone else, but I don't think it looks great on me. You guys let me know in the comment section. And maybe the other thing that I don't quite like is the hem of the dress and also the wrist of the dress, which has these frill-like things. I didn't pay much attention to it online, and I wish I had, because I mean, they're okay, but it's, yeah, if I could, I probably wouldn't have them. Out of 10, I'll probably give this dress a solid 8 out of 10. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you have any of these dresses, do you like knitted dresses at all? Comment below, let me know what you think about this kind of video. If you want to see more of this kind of video, let me know. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Bye.